No man can defile the gods. Do what you will, into business, make money, speculate. An India gold or that synthetic gold from Sardis. Get rich otherwise than by my consent to bury him. Tiresias, it is a sorry thing when a wise...
Update, I'm in English and I don't know like anything that we're doing, so yeah, I hate Antigone. Look at my teacher's holiday themed bulletin board. We love a holiday, sister.
Yeah, because you're so...
You a chihuahua, I'm a rottweiler. So in case you haven't looked, my hair is so bad and I'm frizzy, it's really bad, and yeah! Say hi to the vlog. I don't even know if I'm gonna edit this, but
Yo, why is that girl carrying around a camera?
I don't have a camera. I need one for Christmas.
Let's go over here.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, she's a vlogger. Don't disrespect the system. This is my best friend Guppy. We go to the same class next hour, so we're about to walk there together. Please change. She's 10:45.
You push the nail.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Hold on.
It's Gandhi.
Oh my god.
And our school's like a jungle because it's actually especially a jungle at dismissal. Like walking down the stairs and stuff. Welcome to the jungle. Yeah! Yeah! Computer class, basically. Let's go! So, yeah, that's basically my day. Well, this is 4th hour.
I'm here in Kate's 4th hour.
Yeah! That's Izzy.
Yeah.
What happened to the Gandhi poster? Did it fall down?
No, I took it off. She took it off and she left it on the ground. She took it and she went.
Oh, yikes. Miss Ruru.
She hit and ran.
Miss Ruru about to be so. Miss Ruru, if you're watching this. It was Izzy. Okay, so this is the OOTV. I'm wearing all black today. So I'm wearing a turtleneck that I don't even know, it's my mom's. And I'm wearing some leggings and some black out boots. Let's go. Okay, so I just had lunch. It's been a stressful day. So, yeah, I hate math. We're about to take a test and I really don't want to do this. So, yeah. I'm about to fail math, which is really bad. I hate school so much. What's up, vlog? So, I'm waiting to take a test, and then I'm gonna hang out with Molly. Alright, so I just got back from hanging out with my friend Molly. Ignore my pink room, it's ugly. But yeah, that was my vlog for today. I'm still not I still don't know how to be a professional vlogger. Those are just snippets of my school day. And I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. So this is the end of the vlog. Okay, bye guys.